Rob Frazier here. This video is going to be the first video, day one, of my own CPA marketing course. CPA marketing course video, day one. The best thing that I love about CPA marketing is that you are not the guy. I've been full-time in affiliate marketing since 2015, and the thing that always kind of wore me down was always having to be a sponsor, always having to answer questions, always having to just always having to be on, if that makes sense. And there's nothing against that, but when you have hundreds of people coming to you and they all generally are asking the same questions, it tends to wear you down after a while. And then if you have 200 people, 300 people on your team, and they're all asking you the same questions, it can be very trying. And there's a lot of people who join me in different opportunities who want to buy traffic online, which is one thing, and they're afraid to buy traffic elsewhere, and they want to buy traffic from me. CPA marketing is good for that as well, because it creates different business revenue around affiliate marketing that's not just joining another business. This isn't like a biz op. This is CPA marketing. And so in this video, I'm going to talk about a system that is very well put together that you can join for free, or you can go and actually buy some of the products within this system, but you'll see how it all works together. But again, you can join everything for free, as I did. They do have some done-for-you setup type stuff, but if you're a little advanced, you can just kind of skip past that like I did. But CPA marketing, this system, it's created by a guy named George Wickens, and it's hosted through a CPA network called Warrior Plus. So Warrior Plus, I don't know if you heard of ClickBank. There's many of them out there. Basically, you can join Warrior Plus for free and promote different offers on Warrior Plus for free and make money, right? Given that you have the right structure in place. So that being said, why am I not referring people straight to Warrior Plus? Because inside of this quote-unquote super funnel, it's a part of the process. Now, if what I said is kind of advanced, let's just back up. CPA marketing course, day one. This is a free system that you can join, that you can set up, that you can send people to make money. You don't have to buy anything. This whole system is set up through a CPA network called Warrior Plus. Warrior Plus is a place I go to get different CPA offers. CPA is cost per acquisition. Basically, you don't have to buy the thing to promote the thing, if that makes sense. If you're starting out and you're scratch broke, CPA marketing is the easiest way to start making money online when you don't have a lot of money. Now, does it help to buy the products you're promoting? Yes, that will absolutely help you. However, if you're just not in that position, this is the system and setup for you. So I'm not going to get into the how-to, because when you create your free account, and of course my link will be conveniently below this video, it will walk you through the whole process. Step one, you go down, watch the video, you join a Facebook group, you do the thing, you go to step two. It'll talk about Warrior Plus right here. Again, Warrior Plus is where the payments are handled. Warrior Plus is a third-party setup. You join Warrior Plus, you promote this offer, you get paid through Warrior Plus. And again, you do that. You click here, you watch the video, you go down, you click the next step, and it will walk you through this whole process. Free system you can set up. And what I also like about it is step number 3, OLSP. This is like a basic traffic course, same as the Super Funnel, I feel kind of cheesy saying that, but the system is very solid and it works with cold traffic, which is what I like. A lot of times in marketing, I just don't want to be the guy. I don't want to have to be the sponsor. I don't want to have to do these videos. I do, but if you don't want to do that, this is the route to go. And again, whenever I buy traffic, and I'll get into this later, I send everyone through my CPA funnel first, because I don't want to have to always be selling and explaining and telling and all of this stuff. I can just sit back, run people through this system, and let the system do the work. And that's what CPA is. You're not having to be the guy. You don't have to be on social media. I don't have to do this video on YouTube if I don't want to. But I'm making this a part of like my own course, so obviously that's what I'm doing here. But if I just wanted to sit back and run paid traffic straight through this funnel and make money, I could. So, and everyone who has joined me in anything, I highly recommend, if you're buying traffic, do CPA marketing as well. It will complement your business, because not everyone's going to sign up in a business all the time. I mean, it just ebbs and flows. And when people aren't signing up into your business, it's good to have a few CPA offers to promote to supplement those dips. And that's what I do here. And the Super Funnel, all of this training here, you get a lot of solid training here. I'm not even going to go through it, but there's a lot of free traffic methods, paid traffic methods. Then especially if you get active in this OLSP, again, free. It's part of this whole system. And in fact, when you go through the little boot camp here, they give you 20 bucks. So as you see here, I completed the boot camp and I earned the 20 bucks for going through the boot camp. And I think once you get like 100 bucks, you can cash out Bitcoin straight to your bank account, all sorts of different things. But again, this is like the first step. So for anyone who wants to do marketing, who don't want to be a YouTube star, who don't want to be on social media chit-chatting all day, who wants to just learn the game, this right here is my #1 highest recommendation. And I recommend everyone to just branch off in CPA marketing. In my own business, I've made a lot of money from people signing up in various opportunities, but I also made money in CPA, and my CPA earnings are approaching my business opportunity earnings. And it's the same basic idea. You have a business system, which this Super Funnel can be it. You have a marketing system, and you plug in traffic, and it becomes an income stream. And so what I do is I have my CPA list and my business list, 2 separate lists that I build. People who join me in my business, if they want to buy traffic, their traffic comes from my CPA list. So I make money in CPA marketing, I make money selling traffic, and I make money promoting affiliate marketing business opportunities. That's multiple streams of income all connected and working together, not promoting 10,000 different affiliate marketing business opportunities, if that makes sense. If this video was a little bulky, go back and watch it again. I'm trying to keep it basic, but there's so much information and stuff I want to jam in here. But if you want to learn CPA marketing, the first step is to get a solid system to promote that works with cold traffic. Traffic is advertising. CPA marketing, you don't want to be the guy. You don't want to be on social media. You don't want to be doing YouTubes. You just want to send people into a sales funnel, and a certain percentage of them buy. And you want to get profitable at calculating, all right, if I send 100 people into my funnel and it costs 50 bucks to send 100 people, on the back end I make 150. So the whole idea is learning those numbers so you can just have a profitable campaign running at all times. And then it'll become easier to build a team and other opportunities because you have a structure in place. So that being said, I'm going to wrap this video up. This is going in my first email series, my CPA marketing course. If you want more information about it, you're going to go to the website in the description. You're going to opt in. You're going to see the video for this. but also check your email. Your email is going to be where the bulk of what I'm sharing in this course is going to be at. This video will be in that email. I'll also put this video on my landing page as well. If you're watching this on YouTube, just disregard that past minute. But again, if you want to learn CPA marketing for free and you need something to promote for free that you can start making money from today, this is the system to use. It's not a pay-to-play, although I highly recommend buying the products as you go through it, because that's a big part of how we're going to email our list from people coming through the system. So that being said, wrapping this video up, this concludes day one, my CPA marketing course. I'm going to leave it up on YouTube as well. If you just come across this on YouTube, go to the link in the description, click on it, opt in. You'll see how this process goes. And also when I write up my blog post and my podcast and shoot a couple more videos talking about the strategy, that's going to be in the description of this video as well. So make sure to check it out. Name's Rob Frazier. We will see you in the next video. Peace.